Alright, let's press 3 on the numpad to go to side view. Let's delete the cube. Let's add a UV sphere. Shift A, mesh, UV sphere. Let's tab into edit mode and scale it up on the y-axis, SY, like this. Let's go into wireframe view, Z4. Left click to deselect. Let's press C to go to circle select. You roll the middle mouse to increase the size of the selection. Select this end and then the other end. We're going to change the pivot point from median point to individual origins, and then we're going to turn on proportional editing. Click on there. It looks like a target and it lights up when it's enabled. So what we're going to do is we're going to press SY and then we're going to move the mouse to the left, and what that does is that just rounds out the edges a little bit. You can turn off proportional editing. You can press A and then you might even scale this in again on the Y a little bit, and then we can duplicate this, Shift D, and then rotate the duplicate like this, scale it down. G, let's move it to right here, maybe scale down a little more. G, right here. Let's duplicate this, Shift D, and let's rotate the duplicate. G, scale it down a little more. Maybe scale it up a little bit. G, right here. Let's deselect. Let's press C again and select this part. Turn on proportional editing again. And just scale it down a little bit, like that. Let's select this part here, L, and we're gonna, okay, we got this part selected. Let's just press P and separate by selection. Let's press tab to go in object mode and just select this part again, and then tab, go back into edit mode, press L. Okay, so then you just go, with this selected, then you just go press / to isolate it. And let's go to top view 7. Let's press 3 to go to face select. And you just want to select the faces on the left here, and you just bring it over to the green line, right on the green line here. That gets the left faces. Let's just delete those, delete faces. Let's go ahead and give this a mirror modifier. Go into solid view. Let's go to side view here, 3. Let's press / to bring the other parts back, and then what we're going to do is we're in face select, just select these 4 faces here. I'm going to extrude up EZ like this. Here, let's tab back in edit mode. Let's duplicate this, Shift D, bring it over here. Select this one again here, L, duplicate it, Shift D, bring it up, scale it down, scale it up on the y-axis, SY. G, bring it down here and just rotate it like that, G. Tail there. Let's go ahead and tab in object mode, and we can right click shade auto smooth. I'm just going to parent this part to the other part here. With this selected, hold down shift and just select the other part, and then just control P, set parent to object. Let's go ahead and press Z and go into material preview, and then go here to material properties, click on here, and then new base color, click on that white part, and then click on here. Just bring us down a little bit. We got kind of a light brown, and then you can select this part and give it that same material. Let's add a sphere, Shift A, mesh, UV sphere. Let's isolate it. Let's right click shade auto smooth. Let's go ahead and give it a material new, and then down here next to base color, click on the yellow dot. This box comes up, select image texture, open, and then I'm going to give it the eye material. The link is in the description for this. And then we're going to open up a new window up here, and I'm going to change this up here. I'm going to change it from 3D viewport to UV editor. All right, with the cursor down here, press tab and let's go into edit mode. Actually, before we do that, let's press the / bring everything else back. G, let's bring this up here, scale it down. Let's go to top view 7. G, bring it over here. G.
All right, so put the horse at this angle in the viewport. Click on the UV tab here and this box will come up. Project from view. Put the cursor in the UV editor window and we're going to scale this up.
Scale it down a little bit. And that's a good view, I think. Okay, so now Control A, apply all transforms on that. And then let's just go here to modifiers and give it a mirror modifier. And that looks good. Here's another thing we can do. Select this part and isolate it, /. Let's press tab to go in edit mode. Go into wireframe view Z4. Let's go into circle select, and this just stay away from the ear here, but I'm going to try to do like this. Kind of get an even line here. Maybe go into solid view, and then maybe grab some of these faces up here. And let's go and press forward slash and bring everything back. Let's go back into material preview. So with this part here selected, just go back to material properties and then click on the plus, new, base color, and then click on like a dark orange and then drag this down to get like a dark brown. And then go here and assign. And then let's go ahead and actually select this part, tab in edit mode, tail L. And we're going to give it that same brown material. So go up here to click on the plus, we're in material properties, then go down here to this arrow, select that brown material, assign it, and we're going to wireframe view, and we're going to select the bottom of the legs, and then in material preview, plus new, base color, and then we're just going to drag this down to get it gray, and then we're going to put the roughness all the way up, then we're going to assign it, we'll go back into material preview, let's go back in object mode, and you can see the hose now. Go back into edit mode. The torso is too big, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Select that, L, and scale it down, and I'm going to move the tail. Go back in object mode. We have it in 3 pieces. Actually, the eyes, I think we have a mirror modifier on this. So let's apply the mirror modifier on the eyes, and shift select the neck and the body, and let's join them, Control J. So there's our horse.